Welcome to another video. What we're doing today is going to pick up some trains. I got the AC on. If it's a little loud, let me cut that down. Anyway, we're going to pick up some trains. If you remember in a couple, I think a week or two ago, maybe 2 weeks ago video, I showed you some stuff I picked up, just like yard sales and going places and stuff like that. And I told you I come across someone with some trains, and they had more, but they didn't know the price on them, and I told them to get back up with me if they wanted the rest of them out of the way, or at least some more of them. Well, I got a message, told me come meet them, come check them out, and I'm going to go pick them up, because there's supposed to be a lot of them that they're going to get rid of this time. I don't know if they're going to be the same style, the old coal style trains that we got in a previous video. Not sure. We got 17 of those, I think, or 18, and we got some little accessories and stuff with them, but I think a lot more stuff, maybe some tracks and some cabooses and some more train engines. Not sure. Don't hold me to that. We just got to get there and find out. So we're down here at the shop. We had to stop in before we unbox everything. If you didn't know, we actually got some cool tools now for the shop. We got a engine hole and everything over here. Check it out. Been remodeling. The floor looks a whole lot better. We pulled all the tile up that's coming unstuck. We got the lathe set here, and over here we just picked these up. We got from that reason I'm down here to drop these off. Is we picked these like fold out bed thingies. I guess they kind of vintage. You fold out and put like a single mattress on or a futon, I don't know, but they look like they'd be good for shelving, maybe do something. They metal. We got welds. They're gonna come in handy. Just calm down. Look. We can do something with them. We are not hoarding junk. So let's go up and check the trains out. It's not nighttime, and we actually made it. This is the lot that we picked up, and we're going to check them out. We're going to see what we got and see if there's any value here to be found, because I didn't go through none of this. The last time we picked up trains, I still got a few left, but it was worth picking up. If you can get them at a decent price and know what you're doing. I know nothing about trains. I know more than I did know. That's the main thing. I actually got to test these out now too, because they actually resell a lot better if you know if they work, because sometimes they don't. So let's go through this, see what we got. We got some displays. I actually let them keep one of the displays. They wanted to hang the trains up on the wall, and they had 3 displays, and I just took the trains out and said, keep your display, hang up like you want. I don't need the displays in my way. I might hang these 2 up. The other one was huge. It's just way too big for my office where I would have put them. So, no idea what we got. Let's check these display cases out. I will not take these out of the display case at the moment, but we can look over them. This is an N scale. This is a HO. I figured that out in my train, figuring out a little bit about trains. It's a big rabbit hole that I know nothing about. I know a little bit now, but I'm no expert. I'm not even beginner level. I just know enough that I can make an investment on them, and I either can lose or I can do good on them. I know that about amount. I know enough to get me in trouble with them. These is some, I have no idea. Let's just set these out. These are some loose trains, I guess. Put them in the display, that's what we do. Some of these, I say, is kit cars. I don't know. Some of them's wrapped up really nice. That's nice to see. Very nice train. Boom. And I got a free shipping box here once we get all these out. I'm sure a certain way you should handle these trains. I'm probably not the expert on trains or how to handle them. May probably be a special way you pick them up. I don't know. That one's cool. Look at that. Don't know what these are, but they wrapped up. Very nice train lot here. I appreciate that they actually took the time to box this stuff up and kept me in mind after I bought them first lot of trains off of them. I really do appreciate that. Let's put him here. I do. These are just, I guess, cabooses. Railroad carts. I don't know. Ooh, that's a pretty gas cart. Let's put that there. Some more. I know these sometimes sell good, but most of the time they just average. You know, I guess the main thing is the engine here. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. That's a big boy though. Got some actual wood trains here, which is very pretty. I'm gonna set this here. I don't know if that's broke or not. Don't look broke. Oh, it pivots. Hey, that's a fancy train. People see me unboxing stuff like, oh, this is some extra parts he said he had. They just wound them up here. I don't know. I'll just leave that though. Got one left. We got this nice little box here. So we set this in here. Drop it down. Okay, we got these two. Very vintage, I guess. I don't know why it's in paper towel. Maybe that's a good sign. They cared enough for them to put them in a paper towel, and that means a lot. When you got people that got a collection and they selling them and it's took care of, when they hand them to you, not just tossed in a box, you know, it meant a lot to them. What's in this? I got a tote. Got some train books. 2000. Oh God, that's heavy. That costs a fortune to ship. Well, they go media mail. Books and stuff do. Everything's in here. Books. Yeah. Old school pens. So I'm not going through all these books, but we got another train here. Come here, train. Ew, book got it. Okay. Hold together. Hold together. This ain't safe. Coming through like a crane. Down we go. A crane. Get it? Almost line for train. Okay. Pretty, ain't it? Old school. What's this? No towel. Any more trains in here I don't know about? Books. 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 So it was an adventure. I enjoyed talking to them, getting, you know, to know them a little better and everything. This lot costed $300. $300. You think we did good or bad on them? I think the last lot that I bought from them with just, you know, the 17 trains or so was $280, $300. I can't remember. Do you remember? Did you watch that video? Did you? With the trains? What did I pay for it? I don't remember. But either way, hopefully he does good. And hopefully you enjoyed. And I will get on some automotive videos soon. And whatnot. My foot's actually healing up. My damaged hand is still a little sore. It's still a little swollen. It's about all healed up from the big gash I had. And yeah, it should have got stitches, but super glue after a while works really good. It's still kind of deep, but it's healed up now. No worries. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.